Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is Monday. Let me check the date. March 31st, 2025. Coming to you from Minnesota Regional Headquarters. We are in Minnesota until tomorrow morning, and then we're off to Wisconsin to see Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99's mother, my mother-in-law. And today it's about the Mall of America. Going to the Mall of America, probably around lunchtime. We will visit there. I've actually been there. Little known fact about Crypto Mentor 99. Back in the day, Minnesota was part of my sales territory. And I remember checking into the hotel at like France Avenue and 494. Is that what it is down there? 494. Anyhow, I was on France Avenue near what? Oh, I forget the name of that other hotel. Anyhow, it's been decades. Anyhow, so when I checked into the hotel, I said to the guy, "Hey, what's there to do in like southern, Minneapolis?" And he's like, "Oh, have you ever heard about the Mall of America?" I said, "No." He's like, "It just opened last week." Again, this was many, many, many years ago. So I was at the Mall of America the first week it was actually open. And I don't even remember how long it's been open. Bloomington, Minnesota. I think it's down in Bloomington, Minnesota. Anyhow, I don't know where the Mall of America is, but we're going there today. Walk around, show Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99. And then we're going out for pizza. And then we're all going to come home because the grandkids are on spring break. And then this guy's going to take a nap. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. People look different in Minnesota than they do in like Illinois and Iowa. And they kind of talk like this. They're from Minnesota. But that's it. Crypto Mentor 99 drinking his coffee with some cream in there. And Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 is upstairs. We're going to be going out pretty soon. And yeah, today it's Mall of America. Love y'all. Bye-bye.